Girish Kumar has received his PhD degree in electrical engineering from IIT Kanpur in 1983. From 1983 to 1985, he was a research associate in the electrical engineering department, University of Manitoba, Winnipeg, Canada. From 1985 to 1991, he was an assistant professor in the electrical engineering department, University of North Dakota, Grand Forks, USA. Since 1991, he is at IIT Bombay, where he is currently a professor in the electrical engineering department. His areas of interest are antennas, microwave circuits, and systems. He has written more than 300 papers in the international and national journals and conference proceedings. He is the author of 3 books and he has filed 7 patents. He has been working on the hazards of microwave radiations for the last 1 decade. He has written several reports and given presentations at various forums on the topic related to cell phone and tower radiation hazards and their solutions. He is also chairman of the company Wilcom Technologies Private Limited, which is an IIT Bombay incubated company formed through the Society of Innovation and Entrepreneurship. Today, he will give talk on the cell phone tower radiation hazard and their solutions. He is the humblest person I have been talking to since past one and a half month. I would like everyone to give a huge round of applause as we welcome him on the stage to share his valuable knowledge.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. So, thank you for such a nice introduction. Okay. So, it's really, they normally say warm welcome to you, but here for me it is extremely nice welcome. Okay. So, remove the word warm. It's nice and cold weather, very fresh air. Okay. I can tell you, I'm not sure how many of you have come to Mumbai. There is a lot of pollution over there. Of course, IIT Bombay is definitely better, but once you come here, you actually feel that you are not breathing air, but you are breathing oxygen. So I think it is fantastic, okay? And oxygen is good for your brain. So I do hope that you will utilize your brain and come out with much better professional people, okay? And I can see that today in the morning itself, I saw a couple of drawings which were basically, I saw them from start to finish. So I saw how they are starting and they almost look, so it is very, very nice. In fact, it is a very strange thing. Today morning only I had a meeting with the director and I actually told him that your wall looks kind of bland, sorry to say that, but I said you make all these drawings, paintings, and suddenly I saw there you are actually doing it, okay? So my wish got fulfilled, right? So see, I think I am closer to the God, right? At a much higher height, right? So I think you people are also closer to the heart, right? तो भगवान जरूर सुनेगा आपकी, okay? थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी चलेगी? Okay, so थोड़ा हिंदी, थोड़ा इंग्लिश, क्योंकि वैसे भी ना, और अभी शाम हो गई है, तो थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस नहीं रहते हैं यार, ओके? थोड़ा हंसते हंसते कट जाए रास्ते, चलेगा? वैसे भी ना, मैं बॉम्बे से आया हूँ और बॉम्बे में क्या फेमस है? अरे यार, लगता है लोगों को बहुत भूख लग रही है, तो बड़ा पाव चाहिए। So I definitely, I would request the organizer, यार कुछ खिलाने पिलाने के इंतजाम करो। But mainly, I think I did hear somebody said बॉम्बे इज फेमस फॉर बॉलीवुड, ओके, एंड वो उसको ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो, मुंबई से आया मेरा दोस्त, दोस्त को सलाम करो, राइट? तो यार सलाम करो ना। किसी का तो दोस्त हूँ यार मैं, राइट? So let's come to the formal presentation. The topic which I have chosen is a cell phone tower radiation hazards and solution. The first half will be mainly on the cell phone, and later on we'll talk about cell tower, okay? And I know cell phone, it is so close to us, very favorite thing. I think today if you really ask me, I think majority of the students will actually say that my best thing, the best possession is my cell phone, right? And majority of us, will keep it very close to our heart, right? And I would suggest that यार अपने parents को इतने दिल के पास रखो ना, right? या अपने teachers को रखो, teachers के लिए या अपने students को दिल के पास रखो. But we have put this thing दिल के करीब, right? Why we do it? Because it is so good to us. And today I am going to tell you not so good things about that, okay? So थोड़ा take it with a little bit of a pinch of salt. Okay? So let's start with the presentation. So I'll first talk about cell phone and tower statistics. And एक बीच में मैं थोड़े से यार वो बहुत सारी सीटें खाली है यार, इधर आ जाओ. I think director cannot sit on all the seats, right? So आ जाओ, कुछ लोग तो कुछ उधर भी खाली है. So and थोड़ा स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक दो चीजें और भी बोलता हूँ मैं. यार जो हमारे ज्यादातर इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं ना, ज्यादातर वो बहुत ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट प्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं, ओके? बट लाइफ इज नॉट ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, ओके? नेचर इज ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, नॉट रियली, राइट? वैसे तो मैंने देखो ब्लैक पहना, व्हाइट पहना, 8 कलर, रेड टाई लगा ली, राइट? So that some color should come in the life. But so I have made a presentation which should be colorful, which should be informative, and देखने के बाद में जरा लगे कि हाँ यार कुछ तो interesting भी आ रहा है. And anyway, whenever you have a presentation, it starts with the outline of presentation. So I'm going to talk first about cell phone tower statistics. What are the things going on in India? Then we'll talk about microwave heating principle. And वैसे भी ठंड ज़्यादा है तो heating तो होनी भी चाहिए, correct? So microwave heating, and we talk about radiation pattern of antenna, क्योंकि पिछले 30 साल से मैं एंटेना पे काम कर रहा हूँ, so थोड़ा एंटेना का ज्ञान भी देना ही चाहिए लोगों को. वैसे भी बोलते हैं ना A for apple, तो मैंने तो 30 साल से A for antenna ही सीखा है, ओके? and वो चांस की बात है, वो A N सब आ जाता है, right? And then we talk about EMF safety norm. So what are the norms in India? What are the norms in the other countries? And you will be really surprised what is happening in India. Now we have done radiation measurements at more than 1,000 places. So we'll tell you what we have found and what are our findings. Then we'll talk about biological effects. We do know that there is a biotechnology department is here, right? But it's not really biology, and you will all say यार हम भी biology के student नहीं हैं, but यार हमारी body तो biological system है, right? So little bit biology भी हो जाए. वैसे भी बोलते हैं ना, उसकी आजकल पिक्चरों में दिखाते हैं ना, या तो डांस शो देखते हैं ना, बोलते हैं ना यार केमिस्ट्री नहीं मैच कर रही है, right? So anyway, we'll look into that. And the last one is my most favorite thing, which is solutions. In fact, I feel engineers are born to solve practical problem. And if you are not solving practical problem, then according to my definition, you are not an engineer. So you decide whether you want to be an engineer or you don't want to be an engineer, okay? You can of course prove me wrong, that is not a problem, right? So let's say in the population, India is growing. अभी इतनी देर में तो पता नहीं कितने सारे बच्चे पैदा हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, right? So इसीलिए वो मैंने 130 प्लस कर दिया. वैसे वो 132, 33, 34 होते ही चला जा रहा है, right? And out of 130 plus crore, 100 plus crore are cell phone subscriber. And out of this 100 crore, only 10 crore cell phones are being manufactured in India. 90 crore cell phones are being imported. So if I take an average cost of cell phone, क्या लूँ? 3,000 लूँ, 4,000 लूँ, 10,000 लूँ? 10,000. All right, okay. यार गरीबों का भी ख्याल रख लो यार. ठीक है? तो चलो हमने 4,000 भी लेते हैं. तो 4,000 multiplied by 90 crore, that is 3.6 lakh crore. So 3.6 lakh crore worth of money is going abroad, and that is being used to buy all those dollars. So we are all responsible to devalue our own currency. तो सबसे बड़े देश के दुश्मन हम ही लोग हैं कि इतना सारा पैसा बाहर जा रहा है, तभी तो वो currency is going down. So what is the solution then? The solution is very simple. We have to become entrepreneur. We have to start making these things in India. Otherwise हमारे मोदी जी कह के थक जाएंगे, मेक इन इंडिया, मेक इन इंडिया, बट वो कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. और उसका एक बहुत बड़ा कारण है. मैंने मेक इन इंडिया से पहले एक सेंटेंस ऐड किया है, एंड आई होप यू कैन डू दैट, एंड दैट इज डिजाइन इन इंडिया. So until unless you do design in India, what are you going to make in India? You're going to then copy in India, right? And let's not call the rest of the world call us copycat, okay? अच्छा भी नहीं लगता है. So I think to all the professors, my request is that when you are teaching a course, add design component to it, okay? And to all the students, give more emphasis on the design, spend more time in the lab, so that you can do more experiment. I know that your lab facilities are getting developed, okay? It takes time. Rome was not built in a day, but the thing is somewhere beginning has to be done. And I did talk to director also, so he did tell me also that he is going to provide you some additional spaces for doing this experimental work. And also he did mention that he will try to encourage more of a entrepreneurship, innovation and other thing, and he is going to provide some space also for that. So I'm trying to do some things for you people, so that the whole you people grow, and when you people grow, India will grow, right? वो हमेशा तो यही बोलते हैं ना, अभी आजकल तो डायलॉग बड़े अच्छे अच्छे आते हैं ना, पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया, राइट? तो आप लोग पढ़ो, बट पढ़ने के साथ में emphasis has to be on the design. इनफैक्ट वो मेरा जो गुरु मंत्र है, वो एक पिक्चर देखी होगी, याद आ जाएगा, and that is for the growth of the India what we need, design, design and design. लोगों को पता चल गया, तो फिर को नहीं पता. So now let's just see what is really there. So when we make a call from cell phone, what really happens? When you dial a number from your mobile phone, it goes to the nearest base station, and then through the switching network it goes to the next base station, then from that base station it goes to the cell phone, and that is how the process takes place. But have you realized what really goes on? Your mobile phone is transmitting 1 watt of power, base station is transmitting 20 watt of power, the next base station is transmitting 20 watt of power, and then mobile phone is transmitting 1 watt. So the total connection has actually taken off 42 watt of power. How much is effectively being used by cell phone and the tower? It is only 0.000001 watt, okay? So that means 41.99999 watt power is getting dissipated, and energy created has to be absorbed. So who is absorbing the energy? So when you are talking on your mobile phone like this, roughly 1/3 of that is getting absorbed in your own body. Then if somebody is sitting next to you, that person is absorbing the energy, and people who are living next to the cell tower, they are absorbing the energy, and all the birds which are flying in between, all the trees which are there, all the animals, so all these people are absorbing the energy. So 41.99 watt multiplied by 100 crore user and multiplied by hours which you use for cell phone. So do you really realize how much electromagnetic pollution you are creating? So we say that, okay, it is a famous thing in Sikkim, it is known as organic state, right? But this organic state is also creating lot of radiation hazard, radiation pollution also, because you cannot see it, you cannot smell it, right? And then you think there is no problem, but we'll show you what are the problems. So this is microwave heating principle. Why I brought that here? So first let's say this microwave frequency which is being transmitted, so that there are different bands are there, CDMA which is 800, GSM 900 which is 900, 1800, 2300, 2400. So all these bands are there, so which are creating microwave energy. So what happens when you put food in a microwave oven? It's the water in the food which actually starts vibrating. And at what speed they vibrate? So the microwave radiation comes, the water molecules start vibrating. Now what I have done is 3-4 times per second. But in a microwave oven they vibrate at a speed of 2.45 billion times per second. So they are going crazy. So what happens if there is a too much vibration? It will create friction, friction will create heat, and that is how the mobile phone gets cooked, or sorry, food gets cooked. Right? Now, so how that is related with us? When human body consists of 70% liquid, and the doctors say that brain consists of 80% liquid. मुझे नहीं पता फिर भी लोग क्यों कहते हैं दिमाग में भूसा भरा हुआ है, या दिमाग में तो लिक्विड ही भरा हुआ है, 80% लिक्विड, राइट? तो भूसा की जगह कहाँ पे? भूसा तो ड्राई होता है, राइट? So now when this radiation impinges, so now the blood molecule, water molecule, and all the fluid which is there, they start vibrating, and they are vibrating at now 900 million times per second or 2.3 billion times per second. So this vibration causes DNA damage, and that DNA damage also leads to health problem as well as it does the heating. So slowly we are cooking our body. So the DNA damage part is known as non-thermal effect, and that heating part which happens later on, that is known as thermal effect. So naturally DNA damage is much more harmful than your thing is getting heated up, right? So that's the reason this is much more harmful. And now my first question starts to you people, okay? So have you used cell phone for more than 20 to 30 minutes at a stretch? Have you noticed your ear gets warm? Yeah. Let me see how many people have noticed their ear gets warm. Alright, so I see that if आप मुड़ के देख लो 80-90% स्टूडेंट्स का ये तो पहले कभी सोचे कान गर्म क्यों होता है आफ्टर ऑल यार? तो if you do Google search ना बड़े सारे मजेदार आपको आंसर मिलेंगे. एक बोलेगा क्योंकि इसकी बैटरी गर्म हो जाती है तो इसीलिए कान गर्म होता है. अब क्या बैटरी कान को टच कर रही है क्या? Not very. वैसे भी बैटरी गर्म नहीं होती है, उसमें पावर एम्पलीफायर है. That power amplifier is getting heated up. Alright. Then there is another bizarre thing that when you put mobile phone like this, air is not circulating. फिर तो यार अगर हाथ ऐसे रख के सो तो पूरा कान गर्म होना चाहिए सुबह तक, right? Now that is also not correct. So the actual reason is that when this radiation goes there, it's the blood in the earlobe which starts getting heated up, and after about 20 minutes or so, blood temperature goes up by 1 degree centigrade. Now body temperature is 98.4 at 1 degree centigrade, which is 1.8 Fahrenheit, and suddenly you have 100.2 degree fever. So every time you use cell phone for 20 to 30 minutes, you have 100 degree fever. So if you like to have fever, एक वो FM radio भी है 104 fever or something like that, right? So अभी तुम लोगों को भी यही 100.2 degree fever तो चलेगा, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इतनी ठंड है यहाँ पे, थोड़ा फीवर भी चलेगा तो चलेगा, but in reality ऐसा नहीं होता. So in the beginning, that warm sensation which starts, it leads to the pain, and then it also leads to irreversible hearing loss as well as ear tumor. And in fact, there are several doctors in India, and they have said with certainty that they are getting now very large number of cases where people are developing these problems. And their largest number of patients, you can say, they will call them customers, okay? It's a very good business, right? So, their largest is actually teenagers, and I know many of you are here teenagers, so that is the largest base. Second is of course sales people, because they have to talk a lot on the thing. And the third one actually is ladies, because they love to talk on phone. Alright, so this is the category which they have given. Okay, so you have to be careful. So one more question here. After talking about 20-30 minutes or little more, have you noticed you're having a headache? Okay, let's see how many people have noticed that they have a headache. Okay. Alright, alright, कुछ लोग शर्मा रहे हैं, कुछ लोग alright, ठीक है. So I can just tell you one another thing. If you have started feeling headache, तो ऐसा मत सोचो कि यार जो दूसरी वाली पार्टी है वो आपको सिर दर्द दे रही है. ओके, ये मोबाइल फोन ही आपको सिर दर्द दे रहा है. Alright, and if you are already developing headache, that means you have already gone to the second stage. Okay, what is the last stage? It will get clear in the next few slides. So how this radiation is defined? Radiation is defined by its SAR value, specific absorption rate, and the limit for that is 1.6 watt per kg. But this limit was set in 1998, and that limit was 6 minutes per day. So the cell phones which you are using, the actual limit was 6 minutes per day. Are you using it only for 6 minutes? No. I don't think so. But of course now, a little more things. Whenever these biological limits are set, there is a margin. So there is a margin of 3 to 4. So at the most, you should be using your cell phone for 18 to 24 minutes per day and not more than that. And let's see what happens. But before that, let's just see आपका favorite, कुछ लोगों का favorite phone. Alright. So some people have their favorite iPhone. So I've taken that example. And let's see what iPhone says. And first of all, इस information को निकालने के लिए भी थोड़ा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. It is not easily available. If you see, apple.com is very straightforward. It is illegal. You have to go through that. And then this is a RF exposure. And what they say that their SAR limit is 1.19 and 1.2, which is within the limit. But you know how smart they are. What they did actually, the testing is not done the way you use the cell phone. They do the testing like, the testing is, I carry iPhone at least 5 mm away from your body. See, I was not 5 mm away from this, right? So, away from your body to ensure exposure level remain at or below as tested level. So in reality, when they do the testing, they are keeping the cell phone 5 mm away from this. Do you keep cell phone like this? नहीं यार, cell phone तो ऐसे पकड़ने की चीज है, right? और कहीं भाग ना जाए तो ऐसे पकड़ने की चीज है, और multitasking भी कर सकते हैं, right? पूरा ऐसा ऐसा. So this is how you catch cell phone, right? So what really happens that you are actually exposed to much higher radiation, and in fact they themselves say to reduce exposure to RF energy, use a hands-free option such as built-in speaker phones, supplied headphone, and other similar accessories. Okay. By the way, this thing came much later than before I wrote my article. Okay, and when I show about my article, I'll tell you what precautions need to be taken. Okay. So now let me tell you what has happened around the world. So this is the result of re-evaluation of Interphone study. Interphone study followed all the protocols of WHO, World Health Organization, and the study was 10-year study. Started in May 2010. Report came in May 2000. Report came in May 2010. Study started in 2000. Of course, India was not there because in India technology came only in 1995. So there were not enough cases. Other places technology had come in 85, so there were plenty of cases. So they actually studied 5,000 brain tumor cases. So that means brain tumor does happen, okay? Otherwise, how will you study? And what they said, the report came in this, and they said there is a no overall increase in the risk. And you know, you can just say all is well, right? Okay, but what it says, that no overall increase in the risk is for average user. And you know what was their average user? 2 hours per month. No, report is there. You can just say Interphone study, okay, and you can download. So their average user is 2 hours per month, which really comes out to be 4 minutes per day. So if you use 4 minutes per day, no problem. But if you use for longer time, so there is a suggestion of increase in glioma for heavy user, okay. And what is the definition? The definition is half hour per day over 8 to 10 years. You have a double to quadruple brain tumor risk. Okay, now that may be very, very scary. So I just want to tell you, since then, some advantages or some improvements have been done in the mobile phone technologies. So some things are taken care of. I'll show you the revised guideline after a couple of slides, okay? But you can see that this is already there. Now, based on that study, WHO classified this cell phone as possible human carcinogen class 2B. So now let me ask, how many students knew or faculty member that cell phone is possible carcinogen class 2B? So can you now please raise the hand? So see, this is what is the irony of this particular country, that see, of course we know that cellular tower will never tell you that there is a health problem, right? But why government is not telling you that there are health problems? The reason for that is that these days cellular industry is the biggest cash cow for the government. In the last 4 years, they have done 4 times spectrum auction, and they have raised in those 4 times 65,000 crore, 67,000 crore, 1.1 lakh crore, 61,000 crore. So you add up how much money that is, okay? And they are planning to have another round of spectrum auction in another few months. So when they are making so much money from the telecom sector, they have to also give them some freebies also, right? It's like, you know, डॉक्टर के पास इंजेक्शन लगाने जाते हो तो कभी कभी कहते हैं अच्छा बेटा ये चॉकलेट खा लो, अब तुम चॉकलेट में किसी ठग से लगा दिया, right? So it's the same thing, but see, this is what is the problem in our country. Things have not been informed. See, when you know, especially for cigarette smoking, you can see there are ads now that cigarette smoking. In fact, the ad has also changed. Few years back, it was cigarette smoking is injurious to health. Only now they have started saying cigarette smoking kills, okay? So same thing is going to happen because cell phone radiation is accumulative in nature. Why accumulative? The reason for that is, you know, just think about a microwave oven again. If you put the food for, let's say, half a minute, or you put the food for 5 minutes, will you feel the difference or not? There will be huge difference, right? Yeah. Power remains the same, but it is the energy. And what is energy? Power multiplied by time. Now here what is happening? Power is reduced by more than 1,000 times. So that means it will take 1,000 times longer. So धीरे धीरे करके आप सब लोगों की कहते हैं ना बीरबल की खिचड़ी तो पकने वाली है. So question is when, right? And I will clarify that also now when that will happen. And मोबाइल फोन is not very friendly. इसको भी थोड़ी very clean. Not the get back in the reverse direction. Okay, okay. ए दोनों ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं शायद अभी. Okay. It's alright now. It's okay. So this is the study which came in October 2014. So it's already 3 years old study. And what this study actually, I just want to tell you, this is a malignant brain tumor, and here it shows odd ratio. So what are the chances? Alright, and then comes this side here. This is a wireless phone cumulative use, and my contribution is very simple. खाने में अगर नमक मिर्च नहीं डालो तो मजा नहीं आता ना, right? So मिर्च किस कलर की होती है? ज़्यादातर लाल रंग की, right? So I added red color over here. So why I chose this particular thing here that also I will tell you. So I put a cumulative use of 4,000. 4,000 corresponds to, if you use 1 hour every day, in 1 year you will use 365 multiplied by 11 is about 4,000 hours. So this is the revised guideline. Earlier was half hour in 10 years, now it is 1 hour 11 years. So what happens then? Now these are the extreme cases. This is the mean value. So the mean value, if you see, the odd ratio is 1.6, 1 being the normal. So that means 60% more chances are there to get brain tumor. So this homework is very simple for all of you people. That is, you all sit down. You don't have to do it right now. Think about when did you buy your first cell phone, okay? And how many hours you have used till now. Alright, and then you try to put yourself along this particular line, okay? And then wait when brain tumor will happen to you, okay? Or when it will not happen to you, okay? So आप लोगों का भविष्य भी मैंने लिखवा दिया है indirectly, right? So सोच लो यार, तेरी दुनिया में दिल लगता नहीं, वापस बुला ले, भगवान जी पास में ये सुन भी लेंगे, okay? So this is the thing, and by the way, my PPT is here. Please share with all the students. तो उनके लिए एक बहुत simple homework है. Calculate number of hours, place yourself, and if you think you are very strong, put it on the lower one. And if you think you are not so strong, which is okay. If you think you are weak, which I don't think you should be, पहाड़ों में रहते हो यार, अच्छी हवा में रहते हो तो weak तो नहीं हो. So you can think about these two and then place yourself and then गिनती चालू कर दो, right? Alright, so now let me tell you how to safely use the cell phone. So one thing I can tell you with certainty, that cell phone causes health problem if you use it for overuse, okay? In fact, see, I tell you, it is a normal thing. Any technology you take, if you use it, it is very good. If you overuse it, it becomes bad. But I'll tell you where we have gone. We are not just using it or overusing it. We have actually gone to a stage where we are abusing it. And why I use the word abusing? Okay, एक छोटा सा सवाल एक और पूछता हूँ. How many students are there? यार faculty members don't feel ignored, okay? अभी बात बच्चों की और हमारे के बीच में है, right? वैसे आप लोग भी बच्चों जैसे योग में रहे, right? So, okay. हाँ, तो how many of you have used or on an average use cell phone for more than 4 hours per day? Okay. Let me see कितने प्रतिशत भारतीय हैं? All right. Okay. So now you can see that. अभी तुम लोग 4 घंटे से ज्यादा यूज करते हो, तो अभी देख लो कहाँ कहाँ और किस साल में खरीदा था और किस तरह से यूज करते हो. बट नाउ आई टेल यू what are the precautions you can take. So first thing, I am not telling you not to use cell phone because I also use cell phone, okay? But right now I tell you my cell phone is in the airplane mode, okay? It is not even in the silent mode, okay? And I tell you the reason, but let's just see this article I wrote in September 2011, 6 years back. iPhone 7 तो उसके बाद में आया है, right? So they took some inspiration from my things because legally they have to protect themselves also, right? So okay, let's see. First thing, limit your use. So I don't recommend more than 20 minutes per day. Then you may ask, yes sir, आप कितनी देर use करते हो? So I'll tell you my maximum use per day is, absolute maximum is 5 minutes, okay? Alright, and my per call is maximum 1 minute duration, okay? Alright, जो मुझे फोन करते हैं तो मैं सीधा यार घर में लैंडलाइन है, ऑफिस में लैंडलाइन है, I always tell them I talk to the landline. आपके जितने भी ऑर्गेनाइजर बैठे हैं उनको पता है मैं सबको लैंडलाइन पे फोन करता था उनको, और अगर मोबाइल पे बात करता भी था तो I don't think I ever talk for more than 1, और मैं हमेशा स्पीकर फोन पे रख के बात करता हूँ, okay? So, अच्छा एक और बताता हूँ, मैंने 500 रुपए का रिचार्ज किया था, वो पता नहीं कब कितने महीनों से चल रहा है यार. अभी भी बैलेंस इसमें 302 रुपए दिखाया, आज ही देखा मैंने, okay? तो ना वो उसका एक है ना वो छोटा रिचार्ज है, वो मैंने 500 का बड़ा रिचार्ज कर दिया, अभी बहुत महीने चल रहा है वो। ओके, सो एनीवे टॉक फॉर शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन। दिस आर्टिकल व्हेन आई रोट, तब तो एसएमएस का जमाना था, अभी तो व्हाट्सएप का जमाना है, राइट? तो अभी क्या करते हैं आप लोग, एसएमएस हो या व्हाट्सएप हो, सो आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू गुड थिंग्स एंड बैड थिंग्स। सो व्हेन यू आर टाइपिंग योर मैसेज ऑन दिस, so at that time there is a very little radiation. That radiation is going to be there whether you use cell phone or you don't use, even if it is in silent mode. It will send about 1 pulse per minute to the base station. But if you have your data on and if you have all those other things on, it may be 2-3 pulses per minute. Okay, so still when you are typing, let's say you type to let's say 1 minute, तो मेरे को लगता है आप लोगों को 15 सेकंड में होता है, तो लोग क्या हाथ चलते हैं यार। I mean, मैं स्टूडेंट्स को देखता हूँ, बच्चों के साथ ऐसा तेज हाथ चलता है कि फैंटास्टिक, राइट? हमारे को क्या देखना पड़ता है, और कभी वो दिखता भी है ना, तो यार वो ये दबाना होता है तो दूसरी उंगली दूसरा दब जाता है। ओके, तो हम लोग जरा बड़े अनाड़ी लोग हैं, अभी वही है ना, देखा हम प्रोफेसर लोग अनाड़ी, मैं अनाड़ी तू खिलाड़ी है। So now, so it is only when you press the send button, then there is a maximum radiation. अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है यार, तुम लोग 1 बार 2 बार 5 बार नहीं करते, दिन में 100 बार जब तक नहीं किया तो लगता है खाना ही नहीं पचेगा, राइट? तो ये सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी एक्सरसाइज तो यही हो रही है, राइट? सो प्लीज, इनफैक्ट मेरे खुद के जो बच्चे हैं, मैं जब व्हाट्सएप का मैसेज करता हूँ तो एक ही बार में पूरा करता हूँ, वो लोग आई एम ओके दिस थिंग, अरे 4-5 भेज देते हैं। अरे भैया कर लो, उसमें लिमिट है, यू कैन टाइप इट, नहीं बट जल्दी पेशेंस नहीं है ना, राइट? सो एनीवे, use cell phone with lower SAR value. So next time when you want to buy your cell phone, that doesn't mean यार इसको मत फेंकना, ओके? अभी बहुत पैसे खर्च कर दिए ऑलरेडी, और खरीदोगे तो और पैसा बाहर जाएगा। So whenever you want to buy your next cell phone, please check what is the SAR value. It is easy to find. So the lowest SAR is about 0.3, which is available in the market. The highest SAR is 1.6. So there is a 5 times difference, and that can be a 5 times lifesaver. So use the speaker phone. I know speaker phone में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है, यहाँ पे किया तो सारी दुनिया सुनेगी, अब स्पेशली अगर इसके सामने लगाया तो सब लोग सुनने वाले हैं। But anyway, that is the advantage. It is in the airplane mode, so वो गलती से भी गलती नहीं होगी, right? So speaker phone में वो प्रॉब्लम है, yes people can listen, but यार अपना कमरा बंद करो और जो मर्जी बातें करो, right? So who is there? So that's the one thing, but of course you can use wires hand-free, which is also written in iPhone. The only thing is now, let's say you put an earphone. So the question is, where is your cell phone? Are you holding in your hand? Then talking, that means your hand will receive more radiation. If you keep in this shirt pocket here, then your heart will receive more radiation. If you put here in the back pocket, front or back, then that body part will receive more radiation. So you decide which part of the body you don't like. So of course you can use Bluetooth also. One another thing, Bluetooth has an advantage or disadvantage both way. So Bluetooth basically transmits maximum 10 milliwatt of power. This one transmits 1 watt of power. So it's about 100 times less. But what I see again is that people put, let's say, Bluetooth here, and then the phone is either in the hand or here, right? So now assuming it is here, then Bluetooth is transmitting 10 milliwatt. This Bluetooth is transmitting 10 milliwatt. This is anywhere transmitting 1 watt. So you have actually increased the exposure to your radiation. So best है Bluetooth की range है 5 meter. So you keep the cell phone 5 meters away. You be free. बीच में थोड़ा exercise भी कर लो, थोड़ा ऐसे कर लो, वैसे कर लो, और ज़्यादा कोई टेंशन हो रहा है तो बाबा रामदेव को याद करके breathing exercise भी कर लो, right? So you know it will make things easier. I'm not sure you have landline here or not, how easy it is. But अगर लैंडलाइन है या ऑप्शन है तो प्लीज गेट इट इंस्टॉल. Do not keep cell phone in your hand pocket for long. As I said, it is transmitting 1 pulse per minute to the base station. So अभी 6 घंटे रखा तो 6 into 60, 360 pulses are going towards your body part. And when you are sleeping, please don't keep the cell phone next to your head. okay, or below, because you are sleeping but your cell phone is not. So tick 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 भेजता जा रहा है signal. So keep the cell phone at an arm's length, and then the exposure will reduce by almost 100 times, okay, and still you can reach the cell phone. So you can think of other precautions. So these are the simple precautions. You can use that and protect yourself, and thereby you can, increase your longevity, your health, and health is wealth, right? So take care of that. Now I shift the gear to the next one, and that is cell phone tower. So towers are very, very important. If the cell towers are not there, then your mobile phone will not work, right? But if the cell tower is next to you, then what do you do? Okay, so this is what we want to just tell you first. So in our country, we have so many technologies. See, we are so great, right? So many technology. In reality, it is other way around. So much radiation, okay? So we have so many technologies, CDMA 900, 1800, 3G, 4G. Why I put a star here, that these towers are allowed to transmit 20 watt of power, but whereas for 4G they allow 40 watt of power transmission. So it's even more powerful radiation. But I just want to tell you, in India we allow them to transmit 20 watt, but in USA, in the urban area, they allow only 1 watt of power transmission. So you are exposed to 20 times more radiation. For 4G, you are exposed to 40 times more radiation. So that means naturally health problem will happen faster. And of course, everybody is getting crazy about Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other things. So just today only, I at least told one of the faculty member, he had a Wi-Fi modem right on his desk table, okay. So फर्क तो पड़ा, असर भी हुआ, बहुत अच्छा हुआ. जब मैं उसको फर्स्ट टाइम मिला तो टेबल पे था, बाद में आया तो वो ऊपर अलमारी के ऊपर रखा था, ओके. तो चलो कुछ तो है, असर हो रहा है, गुड. बट इफ यू डोंट बिलीव दैट वाईफाई से प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो यू प्लीज सी दैट अभी स्कूल से निकल के आए हो, बट स्टिल स्कूल का एक वाईफाई का देख लो. दिस इज द wifiinschools.com, and what it says here, the website is dedicated to help public realize that wireless internet, Wi-Fi, cell phone, cell tower emit radiation that cause series of health effects. I did mention about damage to DNA, cancer, brain tumor, kind of close to each other, and infertility. I'll talk about that little later, okay? So you can see some beautiful pictures around, and next time, you can actually go see where are these towers. So this is how they look like. So it is easy to identify these towers, okay? So now there are two types of antennas are there most of the time. One is this circular one here. That is actually a circular dish antenna. This is mainly for point-to-point communication, and they transmit relatively less power, actually less than 1 watt of power. And they will ensure that there is no human in that, okay? But they never ensure the birds should not fly in that region. वो बताते ही नहीं है ना वो birds को यार कि हमने यहाँ पे लगा रखा है, वो birds को पढ़ना भी नहीं आता है, तो वो बेचारे fly करते हैं, बाद में वो पट मरते रहते हैं, okay? So क्या करेंगे, अभी मजबूरी है, they have to sacrifice their life for our communication. It's the vertical one, which is what I said, 20 watt or 40 watt. तो 4G के लिए antenna का size थोड़ा छोटा होता है, but the power ज़्यादा होती है, okay? So this is the one which is communicating with all the cell phone this thing. So let me talk radiation of that, how it looks like. So the radiation pattern for antenna people, they will know, but it is generally a 3D picture. But to make little life simple, we have shown you a 2D pattern, so horizontal and vertical. So suppose just assume that this is my antenna position, then people sitting in this side will receive more radiation. You can see that the beam is white, but people sitting on this side or standing on this side will receive less radiation. But they are also there, they put 3 of these, so that if second one will be like this, so it will cover this region. Then there is a vertical plane. In vertical plane, you can see that the beam is relatively narrow. So that means again, this is the position, that means your head will receive more radiation compared to your feet. But if they install on a tower or a big building, then they will tilt it. So when they tilt it, then the radiation will be maximum towards this. So what you need to do, you look at that antenna and imagine a perpendicular line from there, alright, and then you know where there is a more radiation. So this is the another one. One part is which is the radiation pattern, another one is which is a distance. So if you are at 10 meter distance or 100 meter distance, radiation varies as 1 by r square. And what it says here, that if you live close to the within 50 to 300 meter radius, if you are from the cell tower, then you are in the high radiation zone. And in India, in fact, a lot of people live even at less than 50 meter distance. So they are in extremely high radiation zone. So this actually picture shows because 4 years back there a lot of hangama was there in Mumbai. वो होता है ना, अगर जब कहते हैं ना रिच आदमी को जुकाम भी होता है तो न्यूज बनती है, राइट? गरीब आदमी कैंसर से भी मर जाए तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. और यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, रिच लोगों को कैंसर हो गया. And about 4 years back, this is the Usha Kiran building. 4 cancer cases were reported, and these were on 6th floor, 7th floor, 8th floor, people living there. And then they actually only found out that there is a tower in the opposite building. In fact, they had read some of my report. They could do some correlation. Then they called us, and then we went there to do the radiation measurement, and we found that the radiation level was high. But by the time they were fighting, 4 cancer cases actually became 6 cancer cases, and you can see that they are almost in the sequential order, basically rising and falling edge of the main lobe radiation. So finally they got the tower removed, but for that they had to almost fight for 2 years. All the building people had to unite, and then only that happened. So what are the radiation norms in India and abroad? And if you see, हमारा भारत महान कुछ चीजों में तो definitely है. Radiation norm कम आता है तो एकदम top of the table, right? So एकदम maximum radiation. So we have 4500 milliwatt per meter square. And by the way, this radiation norm was there, and we fought with the government of India. Okay, so basically. This happened in 2000. Till 2008, there was no radiation norm in India. Okay, in 2008 they adopted the radiation norm. बड़ा अच्छा नाम है, ICNIRP. It stands for International Commission for Non-Ionizing Radiation Protection. And when you think International Commission, think it must be an international body. But in reality, it is an NGO started by an industry person. Alright, to mislead the people of the world. And ICNIRP guideline, which we adopted in India for 24 hours, this guideline was only for 6 minutes per day. So what is good for 6 minutes per day? Can that be good for 24-hour exposure? Never, right? So I actually studied all those things, and then along with my daughter, so my daughter studied all the biological effects. Yeah, I'm an electrical engineering professor. So we studied together, we wrote a lot of reports, we submitted it, and finally we convinced the government. So the radiation norm was reduced by 90%. It took me 40 trips to Delhi. Alright, so ऐसा भी नहीं है झुकती है दुनिया, झुकाने वाला चाहिए. दूसरी तरह से सिंपल बोलना है तो समझती है दुनिया, समझाने वाला चाहिए, राइट? सो हम झुकाने के लिए नहीं पैदा हुए, हम प्रोफेसर लोग हैं, हम समझाने के लिए ही पैदा हुए हैं, राइट? हमारा काम ही वही है. So anyway, we were not so happy because we had proposed a much lower norm, but anyway, one step is better than no step. But just now you see 450, यहाँ पे देखो 0.01, 1. If you see here, पूरा लिस्ट में 450 से कम में सिर्फ एक यहाँ पे आ गया कल. ये है 3000, and वो किसमें है? USA में. And then you start thinking कि यार USA is, and I have lived in USA for 6 years, so I know they are very finicky about the thing. So I had to go through a lot of material which was available, and finally what I found out, before that I should tell you, कि जो यूएस का जो रेडिएशन नॉर्म है ना, दैट एक्चुअली सिंप्लीफाइज टू ओनली वन सिंपल थिंग, एंड दैट इज हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के और। सो उनका जो नॉर्म है वो पेपर पे ये है, और देन उनका ही मैंने डॉक्यूमेंट ढूंढा, और दिस इज द डॉक्यूमेंट एससीसी गाइडलाइन OET 56, एंड वेयर दे हैव वेरी क्लियरली रिटन, एंड डॉक्यूमेंट डाउनलोड कर सकते हो पेज 21 और मेक लाइफ इजियर, एंड उसमें लिखा हुआ है that they allow higher power transmission only in the rural area or along the highways. In the urban area, they only allow 0.5 to 1 watt of power. And in India, we have 20 watt and 40 watt. So this is the Austrian Medical Association, which came in 2012. And कितने मजे से लिखते हैं ये लोग. This is straight coming from there. मैं कुछ मसाला मिर्ची नहीं लगा रहा हूँ, खाली एक अंडरलाइन कर देता हूँ, okay? So emphasize certain things. So what they said, irrespective of ICNIP recommendation, okay? So they know what they are doing, and ICNIP is, by the way, in Germany, okay? And Vienna is close to it, so neighbor knows what other neighbor is doing. And what they said, that even for 4 hours per day, if it is greater than 1 milliwatt per meter square, it is very far above normal. And what is the norm in India? 450, okay? So then there is another report came. There are 2 reports are there. Bio Initiative report. One came in 2007. Another one came in 2012. And combined in total, they have given 3,800 scientific papers. And these are published in the best possible journal. And what they recommend actually, that even 0.5 milliwatt per square meter is the maximum limit for long-term exposure. तुम ही पढ़ा दो आगे चाहिए. Alright, so as I mentioned, we have done radiation measurement at 1,000 places. So the one which I have underlined here is a 17.7 milliwatt we measured per meter square, and that lady developed cancer in 1 year. In fact, just to tell you now, when we did the measurement in that Usha Kiran building, the values were between 5 to 10 milliwatt per meter square, and those people developed cancer between 2 to 4 years. Now, besides cancer, a lot of other things also happen. So, because remember, the human body is 70% liquid, blood, fluid, water, and it is everywhere. So, it affects all the body parts. So, you can actually see, this is the line corresponding to 10 milliwatt per meter square. Here is the line 1. And all these red things are basically serious health problem. So, just to tell you, this is a childhood leukemia, this is the decreased cell growth. There is a sleep disorder, weakness, fatigue, pain, and these things are happening at much lower level. So what are the common complaints? Okay, so the common complaint starts with this, and I'm sure many of you can actually correlate also. Sleep disruption, and though you may say it is a tension. Headache, again you have already started feeling, but you are ignoring. Concentration problem. Well, too many distractions are there, क्या करेंगे? Forgetful memory. अरे इतना सब पढ़ाएंगे प्रोफेसर लोग तो कितना याद रखूंगा मैं, right? Depression. अरे इतने remote area में रहते हो तो depression तो होगा ही, right? Fatigue. इतनी सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ेंगे तो थकेंगे ही, right? So वो सब चीजें आप लोग ignore कर दोगे. But ये नहीं ignore करोगे कि यार आधी जनता यहाँ पे मैं हाथ ऊपर किया 4 घंटे सेल फोन यूज करते हो, right? So now at least start correlating yourself. Now if you ignore these things, now things become little serious. Now you may have a dizziness problem, heart problem, especially if you keep cell phone here. Visual disorder, because यहाँ phone पे ऐसे करते हो तो this particular eye is closer, so that the water, the fluid starts getting dried up. Cardiovascular related, buzzing in the head, altered reflexes. If we ignore that, now becomes more serious. We have Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson disease related to brain again. And if you just Google search in India, these numbers are increasing at an alarming rate. Immune system degradation. This I mentioned, irreversible infertility. this is becoming a major issue in India. Just to tell you, 46% of eligible couple in Mumbai are not able to conceive. And this is not my saying, it came in Times of India. And today IVF is the biggest business in the history of mankind. Alright, and every IVF patient is 5 to 10 lakhs rupees. So you can imagine what is happening. And आप लोग भी सोच लो जरा, अभी सेल फोन इधर रखते हो, it will affect for males your sperm quality and quantity. For ladies, it will affect eggs in the ovaries. So in fact, all of them, अभी अच्छा नहीं लगता है, सब लोग बोलते हैं ना मैं तो मर्द हूँ, you are becoming नपुंसक, okay? और and इसके लिए ना आज से 4-5 साल पहले अभिषेक बच्चन का नाम सुना? यार अमिताभ बच्चन का पुत्र है, उनको हमेशा बोलना पड़ता है, सो यही का एडवर्टाइजमेंट आता था उन दिनों, ओके? और उसमें बड़ा सिंपल था, इंडिया बिजी नो आबादी, एंड आई टेल यू 100% करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. एटलीस्ट एक तो एडवर्टाइजमेंट था जो 100% करेक्ट था, ओके? सिर्फ एक लाइन मिसी है, इंडिया बिजी दे बिकम इनफर्टाइल एंड हेंस नो आबादी. और मुझे लगता है कि अगर ये मेरा काम चलता रहा तो आफ्टर फ्यू इयर्स आई विल नॉट राइट 130 प्लस, देन आई विल से 140 माइनस, ओके? क्योंकि कुछ लोग बीमारी से मरेंगे, बाकियों के बच्चे पैदा नहीं होंगे, तो देश की पॉपुलेशन प्रॉब्लम 100% सॉल्व हो जाएगी, ओके? सो ये पक्की बात है. अभी तुम लोग माँ बाप नहीं बन पाओगे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार, राइट? तुमने कौन सा अपने माँ बाप को कितना सुख दे रहे हो, राइट? लाइटर सेंस में दे भी रहे हो, राइट? सो यार देखो, मैं हंसते हंसते ही बात करता हूँ, ओके? ताकि तुम लोग ज्यादा सीरियस मत ले लेना, ओके? अभी नहीं तो बाद में आके बोलोगे सर मैं तो माँ बाप की बहुत केयर करता हूँ. यार वेरी अच्छी बात है, राइट? बट यू नो, effect on skin, DNA damage and increase in cancer, as I mentioned, but I'll show you one more slide. So here is a bundle of DNA, okay? And if it is exposed to the X-ray, you can see that the energy of X-ray is much higher, so it can break the bond, okay? So it is very obvious. So please, बिना बात के X-ray कराने मत जाओ, या डॉक्टर्स लोग आजकल बोल देते हैं MRI करा लो, CT स्कैन करा लो. फिर जब तक वो लास्ट ऑप्शन नहीं हो, प्लीज मत जाओ, ओके? डॉक्टर्स के लिए ये एक पैरेलल धंधा है, ओके? So anyway, if you use mobile phone, it does not have enough energy to break the bond, but you can see that it damages the DNA. And ये कौन बोल रहा है यार? मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं तो सिर्फ रिपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ, अभी यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ. So these are the people who have actually mentioned that. And when damage to DNA is greater than rate of DNA repair, there is a possibility of retaining mutation and initiating cancer. So what it really means that even अगर आप बच गए, तो आपके बच्चों के बचने की कोई 100% गारंटी नहीं है, ओके? So चलो यार, इस कमरे में बैठे हुए हैं, थोड़ा दुनिया घूम लेते हैं, राइट? Around the world in few seconds, right? So थोड़ा पिक्चर को एंजॉय कर लो अलग अलग जगह का. But I am going to tell you what has happened. So let me start with Austria. Austria was the same, Vienna, Austria, which came out with the strict regulation. So this is the thing here. They did the study. This is a greater than 1000 microwatt, which is 1 milliwatt per meter square. Tower was built in 84. Report came in 2011. 27 years later, what they found out that people who lived in this range, 8 times increase in the cancer order ratio, okay? And now this is another study that NILA Germany. So what they have mentioned, that up to 5 years, there is really not much of a problem. This is about 1.1, 1 is normal. But after 10 years now, this is becoming 3.2, okay? So this is the study from Brazil. 4,000 cancer deaths from cellular tower radiation. ठीक है, जंप मार दिया कोई बात. So this is the another one, cancerous cell phone tower creates this thing. So 6 cancer cases in 3 years. This is a study in Jaipur. You can see 7 cancer cases in one area, 6 cancer cases in another area. And we went to Jaipur. We did the radiation measurement. And most of the places we found the level to be between 5 to 50. Whereas cellular operator, they said No, our towers are safe because they are within 450 milliwatt per meter square. So the norm is very, very high as of today. So this is the news which came. 25,000 brain tumors were reported in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. This is the 2014. And then just to tell you, brain tumor does not happen by drinking or smoking, okay? They may affect the lungs, liver and other things, but not the brain. So this is definitely one of the possible reason to cause brain tumor, or if you live next to the cell tower, this can cause problem. Alright, so it is not just affects human being. I did mention about birds. So if the birds are flying in this area, that will get affected. In fact, it affects the animal also. Their milk yield goes down. It also affects the trees and the milk yield. So in fact, this you can see here, there are 4 towers are there, and this is actually the lemon tree here. And the owner actually said that after the towers were installed, the lemon growth went down from 100 lemon per this thing to down to less than 5. So you can see that the milk yield, the birds are dying, even the fruit yield is going down. तो बाद में तो खाने के लिए भी क्या मिलेगा पता नहीं. Anyway, prices are going up also. Now in parallel to us, this is the Environment Ministry also started its own this thing study, and that report came in November 2011. They were supposed to study effect of birds and bees, but they actually found out effect on human, animal, plants, and all these things basically show that majority of these people are developing health problem. But unfortunately, Government of India, even the Environment Ministry was of Government of India, but telecom industry refused to accept this particular report. And reason was very simple, that their job is to ensure communication. It is not their job to ensure the health of the people, okay? So in fact, now for the last 3 years, scientists are after WHO, they are telling WHO now that instead of class 2B, let's make it class 2A or class 1, okay? So let's see when scientists will be successful. So now my last but one slide. So for cell phone, I have told you what are the precautions, okay? And that is in your hand, okay? So you take control, and I do hope that after today, you will take some precaution. But what will you do about cell tower? So I am telling you a certain thing now. First thing is we have to unite. You know, there is a saying that united we stand, divided we fall. So we have to unite, we have to convince Department of Telecommunication to reduce the norm by significant amount from 450 to less than 10 milliwatt per meter square. And that can be very easily implemented. All they have to do with is 20 watt power, instead of that it should be reduced to 1 to 2 watt power, and that can be done, as I said, the last stage of power amplifier can be reduced, or you simply like a volume control, you reduce the gain of the power amplifier and you can achieve it. Now of course there are a lot of other benefits are there, so but why they are not doing is important. So the disadvantage is that here is a tower, if you reduce the transmitted power, range will reduce. And if the range reduces, these people will not get the connectivity. So that means they have to install more number of low power transmitter. This is what is done in most of the Western world. They actually transmit low power transmitter. But what will happen then? It will cost more money. So how much money we are talking about, okay? Because money becomes always an issue, and especially when you are doing the business. So just to tell you, we have 5 lakh cell towers in India. We need another 5 lakhs. So it is not that you reduce the transmitted power from 20 to 1, you would need 20 times more transmitter. That is not correct at all. They again mislead the people. We have done the calculation. You only need to do double the power, double the transmitter. And if you are transmitting 1 watt each, in fact your power consumption will also reduce. Okay? So So the thing is, each tower costs about 15 to 20 lakhs of rupees. So if you take even a lower amount of 15 lakh multiplied by 5 lakh, that requires an investment of 75,000 crore. Now naturally they won't like to spend 75,000 crore. So we even gave them the solution which is known as ROI, return on investment. And it is very simple. If they increase the price just by 5 paisa per minute, today the average of user is about using 20 minutes per day. So 5 paisa into 20 is 1 rupee. Multiplied by 365, multiplied by 100 crore user, they can make 36,500 crore in 1 year. So that means within 3 years they can recover the entire investment with interest. So then, what is the solution? Simple. You all have to agree that we are willing to pay that 5 paisa per minute extra and convince the government. And what we need to do, this is the last slide, very simple. Conclusion should be very simple, okay? We make it complicated. So people have to decide. And what they have to decide? Very simple. Health versus wealth. How much wealth we are talking about? 5 paisa per minute. Whose health we are talking about? Every human being, every bird, every tree, every animal. Alright? But this process is not very simple. You know why? अभी जेई का एग्जाम तो दिया था ना तुम लोगों ने बहुतों ने, राइट? तो हमारे आईटी प्रोफेसर्स का ट्विस्टेड माइंड होता है, तुमने सोचा ही होगा, राइट? ये कैसी कैसी प्रॉब्लम बनाते हैं. यहाँ पे भी एक ट्विस्ट है, छोटा सा कहानी में छोटा सा ट्विस्ट, ओके? एंड दैट इज हेल्थ इज ऑन दिस साइड, ओके? हेल्थ, wealth, okay? So there is a cross. It is not like, you know, low lying fruits की गए और तोड़ लिया. You have to really fight. You have to unite. You have to work hard, and you have to, you know, send the message. Even if there are 150 people here, you have to talk to all your friends. So let's use technology for the better use. So you use your WhatsApp, SMS, and word of mouth. Okay, tell your grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, everybody that what are the health problems. So unless you unite, you convince the thing, and you have to tell the government of India, health is fundamental right of every citizen, and every citizen demands their health, okay? So unite, fight with the government, convince the government, and get what you want. Thank you very much.
If there are any questions, you can put up.
यार कुछ तो सवाल हो गए यार, बहुत सारे मन में उठते हैं. एंड वैसे भी एक चीज बताओ यार, मोबाइल फोन में सिर्फ एक ही तरफ कम्युनिकेशन होगा तो अच्छा लगेगा क्या? मतलब तुम खाली बोलते रहो, दूसरा सुनता रहे, राइट? या दूसरा बोलता रहे, तुम सुनते रहो, चलेगा क्या? So yeah, let's have, मोबाइल का जमाना है, टॉप भी उस पे है, तो let's have a two-way communication. मैंने 1 घंटा प्लस बोला, अभी कुछ तो तुम बोलो. See, देखिए ऐसा है, when the question is, suppose let's say, I mean, in fact I'll tell this again, मैं इसका जवाब एक थोड़ा फिल्मी स्टाइल से भी देता हूँ थोड़ा सा, okay? So let's say, you know, there is a tower in front of your house. Then what are you going to do? Okay, so are you, first question, are you going to sell the house and shift somewhere else? Or you know, you will say that क्या ये तो भगवान की मर्जी, जब मर जाए पैदा मर, भगवान ने जीवन दिया, भगवान ने वो दिया, तो अभी क्या करेंगे? और दूसरा ये है कि you go and talk to the people and try to convince them. So I just want to tell another real incident. So this is almost 4 or 5 years back. So one small child, I came to know little later on, one 5-year-old child actually developed a blood cancer. And her mother called me and she said, you know, that professor, you know, मेरे घर के सामने दिख रहे हैं towers है and all that, and I can see. And so I said, okay, आप लोग बात करो उनसे जाके. कहता है नहीं, मैंने वहाँ पे बात किया, और वो ना वो गुंडे टाइप, जैसा उसने भाषा यूज किया मैं वही भाषा यूज करता हूँ। सो उन्होंने गुंडे टाइप के लोग हैं, और मैं जब उनके पास गई तो उन्होंने गाली बकना शुरू कर दिया, ये सब करना शुरू कर दिया। तो अभी आप बताओ क्या करूँ मैं? तो कहती है, पहला तो उसके था कि मैं घर बेच के दूसरी जगह खरीदूं क्या? तो मैं ऐसी चीजें इनकरेज नहीं करता हूँ यार, हम लोग डरपोक थोड़ी बन के जीना चाहते हैं। तो आई जस्ट आस्क्ड हर, अब दूसरी जगह शिफ्ट करो तो वो वहां पे भी अगर टावर लग गया तो फिर क्या करोगे? हाँ बात तो सही है। अभी नाउ शी इज क्राइंग ऑन द फोन। यार बहुत मुश्किल होता है यार हम लोगों के लिए। तो पता नहीं बात करते करते यू नो क्या हुआ, समथिंग फ्लैश्ड इन माय माइंड, ओके। एंड ये बॉलीवुड का असर है, लेट मी डेमोंस्ट्रेट दैट। सो आई आस्क्ड हर वेरी सिंपल, यार वो इतना परेशान थी ना तो मुझको समझ में, मैंने कहा मैडम आपने शोले पिक्चर देखी है? अरे यार अभी शोले तो ऐसी पिक्चर है बहुत लोगों ने देखी होती है, राइट? तो उसने मतलब सडनली वो जो रोता हुआ था ना जो आवाज, तो मतलब यू नो थोड़ा तो कहती हाँ मैंने देखी है। फिर पूछा उसका हीरो कौन था? तो एकदम अभी तो स्माइल जो लगता है ना, अमिताभ बच्चन, ओके। नहीं, अमिताभ बच्चन वाज नॉट द हीरो। फिर दूसरा रिप्लाई आया, धर्मेंद्र वाज द हीरो। ऐसे नहीं यार, धर्मेंद्र वाज आल्सो नॉट द हीरो। अरे यार देखो, गब्बर सिंह को हीरो मत बनाओ यार, वो हमारा यार देखो अभी तक की हिस्ट्री में सिनेमा की वो एक आइकॉनिक अपना विलेन था, राइट? उसको विलेन को कहते हैं ना, प्यार को प्यार ही रहने दो, रिश्ते का नाम मत दो, राइट? तो उसको विलेन ही रहने दो यार। तो देन आई सेड मैडम उसका हीरो था संजीव कुमार। उसके हाथ भी कट गए, हालांकि बात कटी थी, बट जो मैंने बोला उस वक्त तो अब इतना भी ध्यान नहीं रखते ना हम लोग। तो हाथ भी कट गए, फिर भी वो जेल में गया, वहां से लेके आया और उनको बोला, और लास्ट में आके गब्बर सिंह को उसने ही मारा। एंड माय लास्ट लाइन टू हर वाज, मैडम आपके तो हाथ भी नहीं कटे हैं। सो आफ्टर अबाउट 10-15 days later I got a call from her. I said, so she said, sir I got the towers removed. Now it was my time to ask her, what did you do? Okay. कहती है फिर हमने क्या किया, आपने बोला, मैंने सोचा तो मैंने उस मोहल्ले की जितने भी औरतें थी सब औरतों को इकट्ठा किया, इंक्लूडिंग वो गुंडों की औरतों को। उनको बोला कि हमारी सब बच्चों को अफेक्ट हो रहा है, एंड जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना चक्का जाम, उन्होंने कर दिया चूल्हा जाम, ओके। एक हफ्ते में जितने भी जो, सॉरी टू से दैट, जितने भी जो मर्द अपने आप को मर्द समझते हैं सारे बेचारे टीवीओ के सामने हो गए ठंडे, एंड चुपचाप हाथ झुक गए और वहां से टावर हट गया। So let's say hip hip hooray for the women power, okay? So see, this is the women power. This is what our women are capable of, and they actually speaking got the tower removed. So basically, it also proves few things. See, divided we fall, united we stand. So they united all the people. So what you need to do it is that first of all you need to create awareness among those people. In fact, many a times the people who install the tower on their own rooftop, they themselves are not aware of the health problem. So once you create the awareness, something will happen. Then it has to take it to the next level. You have to talk to the local people. Maybe you know, इतने सारे यहाँ पे लोग बैठे हुए हैं, कोई ना कोई रिलेटिव टेलीकॉम इंडस्ट्री में होगा, उनसे आप बात करो, उनसे पूछो। और अगर वो बोलते हैं ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता तो उनको बोलो ना, फिर आईआईटी का प्रोफेसर आके झूठ बोलता है क्या, राइट? और अगर आईआईटी के प्रोफेसर झूठ बोलते तो यार हमको क्यों बोला था आईआईटी का एग्जाम दो, राइट? एंड आई हैव एक्चुअली शोन यू ऑल द फैक्ट्स। खाली मैंने एक सीक्वेंस में आप लोगों को डाल के दिया, थोड़ा सा नमक मसाला मिर्ची तो लगाना ही पड़ता है, नहीं तो पिक्चर एंटरटेनिंग नहीं होती ना, राइट? सो आप लोग इतना अभी सब दिखा रहे हो फौजी लोगों का, अभी वो बॉर्डर मूवी अगर एकदम बॉर्डर जैसी डॉक्यूमेंट्री दिखाएंगे तो कितने लोग देखेंगे बॉर्डर मूवी को, राइट? जब तक वो सुनील शेट्टी आके बोलेगा नहीं ये धरती मेरी माँ है, या फिर वो अपना सनी देओल आके बोलेगा जब तक जंग जीती जाती है जिंदा रहते So see, the thing is, we really have to create awareness in our country. Unfortunately, people are not aware of this thing, and technology is fantastic. There are lots of benefits, we all know that. But let's limit the technology, let's use it properly, and so that we are happily using it and safely using it. अभी आजकल आता है ना दिवाली के पटाखे बंद करवा दिए दिल्ली में, राइट?
Yes sir.
Right? तो बहुत लोगों को दुख भी हो रहा था उसी में, बात तो सही है, but see अभी you want to enjoy Diwali for one day and have pollution for 1 month. So what is better, right? It's better to sacrifice for one day and have a better atmosphere, right? So same thing here. If the radiation norms are reduced, and also I tell you one another thing. If you use cell phone for lesser time, cell tower will also transmit lesser power, okay? Because they will keep communicating with you. The more you use, the more they have to communicate. So if you use lesser amount of cell phone, then you can actually speaking, reduce the overall pollution. And in fact, we have been telling Government of India that let radiation pollution be known as fourth pollution. Other three pollution are water, air and noise, okay? So let's see how fast government listens to it. But see, the problem is right now, their government funda is also very simple thing. Money, money and money, right? So हमारा भी मंत्र ऐसी होना चाहिए ना फिर, health, health and health, right? तो तभी तो फिर काम बनेगा, right? Thanks. Any other question? So thank you very much, okay?
Thank you very much, sir. It was great to hear to your talk filled with enthusiasm and your valuable knowledge. And we hope everyone present here will remain cautious next time you use your phones and other devices.
Now I would like to call Mr. Surajit Kundu to kindly felicitate Professor Girish Kumar. Sir, please on the stage. Now I call Dr. Pranab Kumar Kundu to kindly present a memento to Professor Girish Kumar. Thank you, sir. Within our span of 10 minutes, we have a Research Innovation Summit. So I request everyone to be present here. And I request Professor Girish Kumar to kindly judge that event. Thank you very much.